for this game, there's probably two elements to it. The history side of it, the occasion, Derry City's first ever time at Celtic Park. Reading up on it during the week, a ground that they had the option to buy almost 100 years ago, decided against it. The GA came in and the rest was history. So it's a big occasion for the city. Speaking to a few individuals in and around the club during the week, they said there's a really positive buzz coming into this. They've reduced the ticket prices to encourage more on the door. I think put on family tickets on sale for the first time.
Fan zone, there's going to be a bar. There's going to trying to get that.
You can get your hot dog and your beer heading into Celtic Park. The Virgin TV cameras will be there. It's a big occasion, but I think the most important thing for Derry is just to put the sentiment aside, the occasion aside. A couple of players speaking during the week how they regularly go up to GA games there. Brian Maher, who's injured at the moment, but he is a dub, avid GA follower, saying he's been to Celtic Park throughout the years. But just to put the history to the side, the most important thing here is 3 points. With that 11-point gap, that could be 8 on the top, and if they lose, that obviously becomes 14. So it's a big swing. It feels like a really pivotal match for Seán and his team.